Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we can update Microsoft PowerToys. So use the bulletin update checker, the Microsoft Store or command line tools. So we can manually check also. So open up the PowerToys settings app. So let's go to the settings. And now if we go here, you will see general. So if you click general, you will see the first one here, version and updates, and here on the right side you will see button check for updates. Click on that, and now as you can see here, PowerToys is up to date. If it's not, you will see some button to install it and to update it. So this is how you can update your PowerToys settings. Also, as I mentioned, you can do that in Microsoft Store also. If you open up, then go and find this PowerToys right here, and here you will see the button. You have here some options to see the version if it's up to date. So as you can see here. So I hope this video helped you out. This is how you can update Microsoft PowerToys. If this video helped you out, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next